Hey, welcome to Relic here, and today we're back with the Camaro. And like in the last video, I did say we're going to take a look at the boot, but I didn't show it. So we're going to take a look at the boot. It's been raining like mad, so I'm not too what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. I'm scared. Right, so to unlock my car, I'm going to tell you right now, you did flathead screwdriver before I get locked to this. But you know, before this goes on the road, it'll have a lock, so don't be trying it. We've got a little pad and pull here, a little beach towel, some radio jack, I don't even know why, what even they are, and a little bag just in case. That isn't as bad as I thought it would be, to be fair. But it's still all, oh, I've got no clue. Right, let's just take a look and see what we can diagnose. Lol. Now this is what I dreaded in here. Well, I mean, it's kind of obvious. I believe that's mould down there. We've got a bit of mould there. It's not looking good. Again, the window doesn't go up because it needs adjusting, and it's how it came from America. I mean, to be fair, we're probably going to strip out the whole interior anyway, because that carpet looks mank. Even though I do like the bucket seats, but put some new ones in. But I mean, oh yeah, we've also got a hole here, just to let you know. So what we're going to do now, we're going to throw the water back onto the car and see where it goes.
Even though it's full of rust and all of stuff, that will wash off when it.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Because what it could do. Oh my god. That's right.
Tells its own story.
That's just I mean, it could still be leaking from here, but I mean, it's gone in there. Let's open the boot. There's a bit of water there.
That's not so bad. It just ran straight down here and out, didn't it? There, look, because you can see that's where it came and dropped down. You can see that's where it's come and dropped down from here.
Oh yeah, you can see it on the seal.
Yeah.
You can see it. Yeah, you can see it on the seal. So it's small. Now the heavens are opened up, so we're going. Oh, bloody hell! Bloody hell! There we go. That's that quick 2-minute video because we need watch time and we need more video. So the water cut off the video because they don't even want to watch my channel. But yeah, I'll see you next one. What?